Hey guys, this video will be a part of a collab with Christina from Frugal Wife Life. Go and check out her channel. I know you're gonna love it. Hey guys, so I wanted to share my Easter decor video with you guys today. There are no kids in the house, so I figured today is the day. This is my entryway, and I'll show you what I got and where I got it as we walk through. So the welcome sign is from Michaels. I thankfully had a coupon for that. It is so cute. Look, especially when the kids come and we don't want any visitors. Closed. I should probably keep that there. The succulents were from Frick and Fab in South Tampa. This is what I call my creepy bunny. I got that from a thrift store for 50 cents and it was creepy indeed. It was seriously ugly. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see the transformation there. Please follow me there. I try to do DIY projects and everything and kind of keep up with all my decor on there. That is a planter I did last year and it's coming back. It's starting to get really beautiful and big. Over here is Every Bunny Loves Me, or no, Welcome Every Bunny. I made that at a craft party. I added the vinyl on top. It was just a silhouette. I put it here to hide this hideous outlet. The cute little bunny right there is from TJ Maxx. I made this arrangement here. I bought this at the Target dollar spot 2 years ago, and then took some florals I had from some orders and just made a really cute little spring Easter bouquet. That's just a house plant that I'm trying to bring back. Here is 2 Easter lilies that died and I put it in that pot, and you know what? They're coming back. The crate is from my sweet friend Christina. The doormat is from Kirkland's. I love the cotton, and then I made this wreath. I like this wreath because it's simple, but it's showing new, fresh colors as spring comes in, so I wanted something a little different. It's got a little cotton and burlap bow. Love it. Here is another bouquet I made, and I put it in a pitcher. I got this at an estate sale, and I absolutely love it for $5. $5, and this is real. Now, one thing I wanted to tell you, sometimes when we go into Michael's, they'll have bouquets you can buy, like actual bouquets. They are perfect if you don't want to make your own arrangement. Look at that. It's just a bouquet. Drop it in there, and doesn't it look beautiful? And then I added some cotton in the back. It's got a sweet succulent. This is from Michael's. They were on sale. I think the bouquet, this one here, was $10. You can't beat that. This box, you guys will see this in my videos. This is from a craft party. This is from the dollar spot at Target. Here's just some more florals. I added some Easter eggs and my milk glass candle holders. Once again, these are from, oh no, that's from somewhere else. A little shop, a little antique shop we like to go to. Just made a little something for up here. Some tulips. Just trying to spruce up and add some color. And I cannot forget my sweet baby, Isabella Rose. She was 9 months old. Somebody please take me back to that moment. My only girl. If I could just, any other moms out there, you just wish you could have one more second. When the days are tough, you're like, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up and grow up. And then they're grown. And then it's a memory. And you want just a moment to hold them one more time. I'm kind of dealing with that with my little one turning 4. That was the playroom. This is my entryway. I got this gorgeous glass jug from Christina. I made another bouquet, arrangement. These are all from Michael's. This is from Hobby Lobby, the lamb's ear. Got some magnolias. Just anything to bring in the pink. And that I do every season. Over here, got my Easter moss bunny, or my moss Easter bunny, and carrots. That is all from Hobby Lobby. The window I got many moons ago, so long ago. Go down here, another little moss bunny, isn't it precious? That is from TJ Maxx. And that is from Christina. This little metal orb. The corbels are from Frick and Fab in South Tampa. Here is another. This is an actual old antique bunny. I got this in the antique shop and I absolutely love him. I got him last year. Here's another bouquet. I just added some eggs to it. Some eggs I have laying around. This bouquet was $5, and then this was from IKEA. Excuse the cords. These all light up. They were actually oil rubbed bronze, and I chalk painted them and made them look distressed, and I love them. That's my entryway. Those are my yard sale plates. Going in here, this is my kitchen. I took this hurricane glass, I think that's what you call them, lantern of some sort, from Kirkland's last year, actually 2 years ago. And I filled it with some Spanish moss and some eggs that I got from Michael's for $3 a pack. Some old florals, and then this is just a dollar store candle, battery operated candle. It doesn't work, so it works to just sit there and look pretty. I made this at a craft party I hosted. Just a piece of wood. Always got my Scentsy going, you guys. I have asthma, and it is the one thing that does not bother my asthma. Over my coffee section, just added some yummy, I think I'll just take one of those right now. Sweet tart, jelly bean sweet tarts. They are my favorite, even though I really don't like stuff like that. I'm not a candy person. It looks pretty, and it's tasty, and one just does it for me. Okay, here's my living room. Excuse the overcast day. If I turn all my lights on, they look way too yellow. So we're just gonna keep it as is. I'm gonna do a living room update because I got a new couch coming and I cannot wait to show you guys. This candle was given to me from my husband on my birthday, lavender and vanilla. Yes, that is a real aloe plant. I've got my mint or aqua pillowcases for Easter in cream. Both the cream and the greenish aqua color are from IKEA. I always buy covers. That way you can change your, seasonal decor and whatnot and not have to spend so much on pillows. That's my little trick. Got my sweet little birds. It's got the aqua in it. The pastel color is perfect for spring. Okay, here's my mantle. Please excuse the cord. We have an Xbox, and I am trying to figure out something cute to do with that because I'm so tired of seeing it. Can any other parents vouch for me? It is crazy. I mean, it has to be there, but I'm tired of it. So I got some, for spring, I got some fresh lavender wrapped in burlap. Yes, it's real and it smells amazing. Just put it in an old glass bottle we had. This is probably like a kombucha or something. We cleaned it out, took the tag off of it, and look, it's perfect. Over here, Easter greetings. I got this from Michael's. Here is the brother of the creepy bunny that you saw out front. Again, just did some gray chalk paint spray on it. It was brown with pink eyes. Hideous. Go to my Instagram and you'll see the befores. It was really ugly. And I've got this orchid here. This orchid is actually from IKEA. It is not real, but it feels real. And this cute little egg in a nest. My mom gave me this, so I don't know where that came from. But it is too cute. If anyone has ever had orchids, you know they're beautiful at first, then they die. I always thought that was the end of them, but evidently, if you just keep taking care of them, they all come back. I don't have the patience for that, so fake when it is. Over here, He is Risen. That is from TJ Maxx as well. The cross is from Michael's or Home Goods many years ago. Just added a little flower here. Easter is a big deal in our home, so we try to put something here that shows its importance to us. Thank you guys so much for watching. I wanted to do this video and get it out to you guys. I love you guys, and I can't thank you enough for subscribing to my channel. And if you're new, please subscribe and like. Let me know down below what kind of videos you want to see. I do lifestyle, DIY, just mom life, things that pertain to moms. So thank you guys so much, and I love you, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.